Kundalini and living your absolute reality. Kundalini awakens in you to make you awaken to your absolute reality. What is the absolute reality? The direct answer is absolute reality is that you are pure consciousness and energy. The quality of consciousness is witness, awareness, decision maker, power holder of your attention, and the total game of this reality, which is run by the consciousness, the universal consciousness that is present in you, and the energy through which this consciousness operates comes under absolute reality. Absolute reality means that you are an energy field and you have consciousness at your center. When you realize that you are that consciousness, you are free. You are free to live your absolute reality. You are free to live your energetic reality. You are free to choose in life what to do and what not to do. This means that you are no more bound by the matrix. You are no more bound by the conditioning, beliefs and norms of the society and the patterns of the mind. But ask yourself, if you are in your Kundalini Awakening journey, are you living your life or you are living the life of the mind? Where is your attention? Where is your attention going every moment? And if you are addicted to social media, you are addicted to the extent that there is no returning back. This means that you keep on watching reels throughout the day, or you are getting exposed to all kinds of social media interactions where you are talking to strangers with their specific comments and ideas and everything, that is information overload on your brain. If you are going through all this kind of information overload, then you are not living your life. You are wasting your life. And this is where Kundalini gives you the call that start living your life. Kundalini Awakening is a continuous journey. This means that from one level of consciousness to the next level of consciousness, you will go throughout the journey of Kundalini. This means that if right now your concern is food, clothing and shelter, if you are worried and fearful about what will happen to you if you don't get your food, clothing and shelter, then you are at the level of your root chakra. And likewise, as you ascend in the journey, you will get different kinds of realizations, different kinds of knowing about your state. If you feel that you are fit in the world, this means that your Kundalini is not going on. But if you feel that there is something missing link in your life, there is something which is calling me to ascend in my journey, this indicates that there is some kind of awakening that has happened in you. If you are not sure about whether Kundalini Awakening is going on in you, you can book a 20-minute session where you can get yourself diagnosed first, and then you can learn the techniques to manage Kundalini from me. Because I am a Kundalini expert and I know how to process Kundalini, because I have been successful in not only managing Kundalini but in processing Kundalini in the most profound way. I live my life to the fullest. I ascend in my journey every moment, and I get the powers to know Kundalini, know the universal truths, the quantum field that you are, and I know many things that has made my life very simple as a power holder, and I do it my way. So just after this understanding, you will get to see some of the clips of one of my VR experience. VR means virtual reality experience that I have taken recently. And I got to know how your brain is damaged, because whatever time you are spending on social media, and if you are not living your life and you are addicted to phone and everything that the internet serves you, you are going to have the problems of attention deficit syndrome or anything to do with your brain power. Your focus and concentration will be very low. You will not be able to concentrate even on feeling your life. So there are many dimensions of mental illness, brain damage, neurosis issues that has already happened in you, and I get cases of such problems through the Kundalini Awakening journey process. This means that if your brain is damaged due to addictions and your Kundalini has already awakened in you, then this is the time you should awaken for the truth that you will be dead if you don't live your life. And Kundalini is going to make your life hell. It is going to make you suffer more because there is resistance from the ego to change from the programming that has already been created. So the VR experience that I took to my brain into a state where I could actually feel the fear or actually feel the adventure of going through rides on a roller coaster, and that was real perceiving by my brain that I felt in that moment. And I just had that experience to get the contrast of what is happening to you. This means that if you are addicted to phone and addicted to the matrix and addicted to everything that is unreal, the virtual world, your life is going to be dead. This means that you are just zombies living the life, or you are just no less than a robot who is just going and wasting your life on planet Earth. So if you want this to discontinue and you want your life to be lived, this is the time you book your session and get clarity. Thank you and bye-bye.